Hi, this is Satirs from ProBloggingSchool.com. The title of today's video is that 99% of people online are actually looking for a lottery ticket. Okay, so unfortunately the fact of the matter is that a lot of people, have heard about people making money online and so on and so forth. And while everyone would love to make money online, the same way that everyone, would like to be rich and would like to have a lot of things. Well, not everybody, but a lot of people, a large percentage of people would tell you they want, nice cars and nice houses and holidays and, more money. So the majority of people would tell you that. But really, the reality of it is that 99% of people, when they actually come to the internet, they're basically looking, like an instant lottery ticket. They're looking to come and join a program and, pay whatever the cost is. It could be, $5 or $10 or $25 or $3,000 or $10,000. They're basically looking to just come and buy something and then just, become a millionaire, within a couple of weeks without doing very much. And, unfortunately 95 to 99% of people are actually like that on the internet. And, the truth of the matter is that probably about 95%, even the business which I'm in, which is a really good business, 95% of people in it, 5% make most of the money, right? And the reason for that isn't because, those 5% are superhumans or something, but the reason is that 95% of people actually quit. They don't do the steps, they don't follow the action steps, they don't go to the trainings, they make excuses why they can't go to the trainings, and those people who quit basically are part of the 95%, okay? So, marketing online, internet marketing or selling products and services online is not something to be, not to be taken lightly, but it's not something that you want to come in like it's some sort of game or something and you just throw a couple of pounds in and then you're going to have thousands and thousands of dollars coming in every day, because that's really not the way it works. The good news is that the only thing you actually need to do to be in the top 5%, and this is really the only thing you need to do, the only thing you need to do is to come online, right? Find a system, product or service, or create a system product, which is harder. I wouldn't recommend it in the beginning, but you could do that as well. And basically build a list, learn internet marketing from people who are already making money, who are in the top 1% or 5%, learn from them, and once you do that, eventually, it's not necessarily a 2-week journey. You could be making money in a few months, and you could make your first money in a week or 2 days. It could take you a couple of months, but realistically, you should be looking at least a year. You should be looking at least a year to be making a serious amount of income and to be generating a lot of leads and stuff like that, because it's not completely instant. Now if you have a lot of money to put in to paid advertising and stuff like that, if you've got a large sum of capital and you can go and put a lot of money into paid advertising and stuff like that,